long before we fall in love? How long before we fall in love? Here's a ticket, baby wanna go out, put 'em.
Hi guys! So today we're going to the beach. It's gonna be a solo trip, but I'm gonna bring you guys with me. Here's a list of things I'm gonna be doing throughout the day. So first, I'm gonna pack my bags and show you guys some of the things I love to bring with me. And second, I'm gonna show you guys some of the activities I love to do on beach days. After that, I'm gonna go stop by the restaurant that's next to the beach and grab some lunch. Some things I love to put in my beach bag are some sunscreen, lotion, lip gloss, extra bathing suit, deodorant, hand sanitizer, a portable charger, and a little comb. Right now, I'm applying some facial cleanser to take off my makeup, and I decided to go with the clean look. Now that I'm done, I'm gonna change into my beach wear. So I decided to change my hair up a little bit. I really love these beach waves, but I decided to switch it out. So first, I'm gonna blow dry it, then I'm gonna brush it out, and then I'm gonna curl it. This is how it turned out, and I love it! Oh, it's so cute. I'm taking a little purse with me, and this is my first choice, but I don't really know about it. I decided to go with this one because I really love the coconut look. But yeah, I think it's so cute.
Running wild, fell in love with the chase. I've been up and down and all over the place, wasting all my days and nights, never feeling satisfied. Putting on a smile, I was keeping faith, but there's no imitating what I found in your grace. All the things I left behind as shadows, now I've seen the light. In my head and my soul,
Hello, can I get an ice cream?
Yes, what's flavored?
Vanilla.
That'll be $1.
Here you go, thank you.
No problem, have a good one.
So I'm in the water right now, and the water is pretty cold. But I'm by the shore, and I'm gonna go ahead and go swimming. I'm back in the shore, and I just realized that I forgot to get a paddleboard. We're gonna do that later. So first, I'm gonna go onto the obstacle course, and then I'm gonna head over to the board shop to get one. I just fell off one of those big balls over there, and the whole obstacle course was so slippery. But it was fun. I'm about to try the big slide, and let's see how that turns out.
Hello, how may I help you?
Do you happen to have any paddle boards?
Yes, we do. Let me write down your order.
I really love this board. How much would it cost?
That'll be about $120.
Okay, I'll take it. Thank you. I have my board, which is over here, so I'm gonna go test it and see how it works. I just ran out of jet ski and I'm so excited to try it. This is how it looks. I'm finally back. So guys, my friends came to say hi to me and we talked, hang out, and now it's finally time to get some dinner. So we're gonna head to the restaurant over there and let's see what they have. So I got a hot dog with some drinks and a cupcake, also with the strawberry sandwich. This concludes my vlog. I'm so sleepy right now. I can't wait to go home. But I hope you guys liked the video and I can't wait to see you guys in the next one. Bye!
Now this love is for real,